welcome back to 1 Minute Vocabulary. As you know, I'm Laura. What we do here, of course, is we describe new expressions or vocabulary words in 1 minute, so at the end of a minute, hopefully you can recognize and probably use a new vocabulary item in your English speaking. So I'm going to put 1 minute on the clock, and today we're going to talk about the expression say when. Here we go. Starting the clock. Say when is an expression that roughly translates into tell me when you've had enough. So this is something that you would see informally with friends serving each other, either drinks or food. For example, if you come and drink tea with me and I'm pouring tea from the teapot into your cup, I might say when, and that means when I get to the amount you want, tell me to stop, right? How much do you want me to serve you? So if I say when, you might say, oh, that's great, thank you, or oh, that's enough, thank you, or thank you. Right? That would be a sufficient answer for that. Or if you come to my house and I'm serving a family dinner, I might be serving you a plate of pasta and say, oh, say when. And you would say, oh, thank you, that's enough, right? When it's enough pasta on your plate. So say when is an informal way for people to say, hey, tell me when you have enough of the thing I'm serving you. All right, that's 1 minute. And that's our word for the day. This is a very informal expression you can use with your friends when you're hosting or when they're hosting you or serving you something in a restaurant or in a bar or something like that. Okay, if you have any questions about this or any of the other vocabulary in this course, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you online soon. Bye.